Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Tavern menu sign. Let's light a little candle first so we can really set some cozy vibes. I got this sign at the Dollar Tree, and you'll also need a paintbrush, which I also got there, as well as this brown acrylic paint. This paint pen is going to work perfectly for this, but I had to get this at a craft store. And you'll want to take the string out before you paint. Let's get to work. And of course, we wait for it to dry before we do anything else. First step with the paint pen is to make a border. Definitely use a light color for this part. I like how the silver looks, but you could also use white or gold or any colors like that. And now this is the fun part. I like making a menu that has reasonable prices on it, so you could actually use it while you're playing a game and reference it. But you can make up your own stuff on it, whether using it for a tabletop or LARP or just as a decoration. And now put the string back in, pull it through, and it's ready to be admired. All done.